Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: battery, connectivity, and that you're at the home screen. Now open Settings and find Location or Location Services. Device manufacturers label this slightly differently. Turn the master location switch on so apps can access satellite and network data. Once done, make sure location mode or app permissions is visible. This leads to how apps use GPS. You do this step first because the system-level toggle overrides individual app access. So enabling it next, set the location mode. Choose high accuracy to combine GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for best results, or GPS only to save power. Then go to App Permissions, find the app you need, and grant location access. Prefer Allow only while using the app to balance privacy and functionality. Also check that background location is allowed if the app needs it. Once configured, test quickly in the app to confirm the system's mode and app permission, produce the expected fix and responsiveness. Finally, refine accuracy and resolve common issues. Calibrate the compass by moving the phone in a figure 8 and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning to improve fixes indoors. If you don't get a GPS lock, restart the phone and toggle location off and on. This resets the radio. Make sure airplane mode is off and that the app's cache isn't corrupted. Clear cache or reinstall the app if needed. If problems persist, test with a known GPS app to determine whether it's device or app-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.